This is the TCL NXTWEAR AIR glasses. Now this is like having a portable cinema. It's the equivalent of a 140-inch display, as if you're sitting about 4 meters from the screen. So wherever you go, you can enjoy your content on a grander scale, whether you're at home relaxing, on a plane, laying in bed. Wherever you go, the screen goes. There's two full HD OLED displays, micro displays inside, to give you this amazing experience. You can even view 3D content on these new glasses as well. Now that does attach with the USB-C cable. That's good for a couple of reasons. Well, number one, you don't have to worry about charging a battery. Number two, there's no need to fit a radio into the glasses and make it any bulkier. It's quite light at 75 grams as well, so really comfortable to wear for extended periods.